Hey guys, it's Angel. I am back in the kitchen and it's a sunny Seattle weekend. And we're gonna be doing what I love doing on the weekends, which is make bubble tea. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a whipped coffee bubble tea. And if you've been on social media the past few weeks, you'll have seen this trend called Dalgona coffee. This drink is super trendy, originally from South Korea, and it's basically instant coffee whipped together with equal parts sugar and hot water. Now, whipped coffee itself is not actually new. There's a similar drink from India, but since we are Bobaristas for the day, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a whipped coffee bubble tea. And since this recipe is so fun to make, I'm super excited to make it. Let's jump right in and get started, shall we? All right, for the first part of the drink, we're gonna be making the whipped instant coffee topping. And for that, we'll need 3 simple ingredients. The first is 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and you can use whatever instant coffee that you like, 2 tablespoons of organic cane sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. So we'll start by adding 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and I'm using a dark instant coffee. Next, I'll add in my cane sugar, and finally 2 tablespoons of hot water. Now for the fun part. You can use a hand mixer or you can use a whisk. I recommend the hand mixer because you're gonna be able to do this in just a minute or 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it out on low. Okay. Hang on, I need to plug it in first. Now it should work. So I'm gonna start this out on low. Just give it a good mix. While we're waiting for this, welcome to those of you who are new to my channel. If you're interested in more videos like this, Taiwanese food, Asian recipes, bubble tea recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button and click on the alerts bell so that way you get alerted when my videos come out. I've got a lot of fun recipes coming up in the next couple weeks. All right, so once it's started to mix in, go ahead and increase the level of whisking. What we're looking for is soft to firm peaks, but we'll need to build this up gradually. And I can already smell the coffee. Look at that crema. It's so beautiful. It kind of smells like a Starbucks in here. Another added benefit. Okay, so check this out. You can see it's a lot foamier now. That is beautiful. Go a little faster here. You'll know when it's done. When you take it out, you'll see the soft peaks form. Okay, so let's set that down and we're gonna go prepare our glass for serving. Now, earlier I made some chocolate shavings for drink topping and of course boba. I made about 1/4 cup of brown sugar boba in my Instant Pot. And if you're interested in how to make Instant Pot boba, which is a quick and easy way to make small batches of boba, I'll leave you guys a link in the video description. So we'll start with a couple spoonfuls of boba in the glass. It's your bubble tea, so guys, feel free to go crazy and add as much boba as your heart desires. Next, a couple of cubes of ice, then enough milk to fill the glass about 3/4 full. I'm using coconut milk, but you can also use any other dairy or non-dairy alternatives as well. For the last layer, we'll be adding the whipped coffee topping, enough so it looks like a mountain of fluffy whipped coffee. And of course, don't forget the mountain peak for style points. Finally, to top everything off, a pinch or 2 of the chocolate shavings makes this drink complete. And when you're ready to serve, add a bright colored bubble tea straw to make you smile. And that, guys, is how you make whipped coffee bubble tea. Once you have your drink together, all you have to do is just stir to get the coffee mixed in with the milk. Okay, it's a little overflowing, but that's all part of the allure of this drink. And now we're gonna do the taste test. Oh, wow. That is so good. Let me get a little bit more of this topping in there. So good with boba. So the one thing that I would recommend is to not go overboard and use a little bit less milk so the whipped coffee topping is not overflowing, but lesson learned. Now if you guys are watching at home and you end up making this whipped coffee bubble tea, take a picture, tag me on social media. I want to see how your creations turned out. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter at Angel Cooks Food. I'm so interested in seeing how your recipes turned out. I'm Angel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until then, take care guys. I love you and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.